Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rashid Iqbal. In today's video, we will learn about discharge lamps, or we can also say HID lamp, which means high intensity discharge lamp. Before starting wiring connection, I am showing different types of discharge lamp such as metal halide lamp, number 2 ceramic metal halide, or we can say CMH lamp, third high pressure sodium, or we can say HPS lamp, and low pressure sodium, or we can say LPS lamp. These lamps work on arc discharge technology, not on filament like normal bulb. That is why they can produce very high brightness and high efficiency, long operating life. Because of these features, these lamps are widely used for large area and outdoor lighting such as industrial area or street lights and highways, workshop, stadium, commercial outdoor lightings and similar applications. As I mentioned, these are discharge type lamps. So all these lamps use the same type of control gear and they cannot be connected direct to power supply. All discharge lamp required like ballast, ignitor and capacitor. These components are necessary for proper starting, current control and stable operation of the lamp. As you can see, when we open the box, the lamp has a ceramic or quartz arc tube inside. You can see here. This is where the electrical discharge takes place and light is produced. This outer glass bulb protects the arc tube and also helps to control the operating temperature of the lamp. Before purchase or installation, always check the information printed on the lamp box such as lamp type, wattage, voltage rating, base type, what type of base required here, and burning position. Using the wrong lamp type or wattage can cause starting problem or low brightness, short lamp life, or it may be damage the blast and igniter. So here I am using 150 watt CMH lamp. As I said, this type of lamp required high starting voltage and controlled operating current. That is why a direct connection to the power supply is not possible. For this reason, a ballast and igniter are mandatory. So this is the ballast. The ballast has two main functions. It limits the current during normal operation and it stabilizes the lamp after ignition. Without a blast, the lamp will draw excessive current and fail. Therefore, blast rating must match the lamp rating. Here you can see 150 watt blast, which is suitable for this lamp. The blast has two terminals which are used for wiring connection. This is igniter and it is used only during lamp starting. It generates high voltage pulses, usually in the range of 2 to 5 kilovolt, to strike the arc inside the metal halide lamp or discharge lamp. Once the light is ignited, the igniter becomes electrically inactive. Here you can see I am using 400 M type of igniter. Now this is the capacitor. For 150 watt lamp, we are using 24 microfarad capacitor. As I am using here CMH lamp, so this lamp operate as a low power factor due to the inductive nature of the ballast. Because of blast, we are installing capacitor. The capacitor compensate reactive power and improve the overall power factor, which help to reduce current, reduce power losses and avoid utility penalties. That is why capacitor connection is compulsory in discharge type lamp. Here I am using 2 MCB, one for phase and one for neutral. You can also use 2-pole MCB. Now I am using a DIN rail to mount the MCB. This is a PVC connector which we will use for wiring connection. Now the setup is ready for making the connection and we will understand the wiring diagram through this drawing. The power supply enters the system through phase and neutral. Both phase and neutral are first connected to their respective MCBs. From the phase MCB output, phase wire goes to the ballast input and from the ballast output, supply goes to the igniter terminal. The igniter has 3 terminals. B terminal connect to ballast output, L terminal or LM terminal which will connect it to the lamp, and N terminal, it will be connected to neutral. The igniter sends high voltage pulses to the lamp terminal for starting. This is the capacitor. The capacitor is installed across phase and neutral after the MCBs. So this is the complete wiring diagram for metal halide or CMH lamp or HPS lamp or LPS, low pressure sodium lamp. For all lamps, wiring diagram is exactly same. Now let us start the wiring connection based on this diagram. First ensure that the power supply is completely switched off. Then I fix the DIN rail and then I mount the MCBs on it. Now connect the incoming phase wire to phase MCB input and connect the incoming neutral wire to the neutral MCB input. Now I make the termination using a PVC connector. Once connection done, let us check the output power supply. Using a multimeter, we can verify the voltage. Make sure the voltage supply is off during wiring. Here you can see we are getting 240 volts, which confirm the supply is correct. Now from the output of the phase MCB, take a phase wire and connect to the ballast input terminal. Ensure that the cable is properly crimped and tightly secured. Now take the another wire from the ballast output terminal and connect it to the B terminal of the igniter. Here you can see this is the B terminal. B means ballast, so you can easily identify. Always follow the igniter terminal marking because a wrong connection can damage the igniter. Now connect the neutral wire to N terminal of the igniter. This is the lamp holder which has 2 wires, white and black. From the lamp terminal of the igniter, connect the white wire direct to the lamp holder. This wire carries high voltage pulse. Now connect the black wire of lamp holder to the common neutral. Here you can see the neutral wire is looped and connected to the igniter neutral terminal and lamp holder neutral terminal. Ensure the neutral looping is neat and secure. Now connect the capacitor between phase and neutral after the MCBs. One terminal of the capacitor goes to phase and the other terminal goes to neutral. This connection improves the power factor of the system. So before switching on, recheck all connections with the wiring diagram. Here you can see main phase and neutral supply, capacitor connected in parallel across phase and neutral, phase connected to the ballast input, ballast output connected to the igniter, igniter connected to the lamp holder, and neutral connected to igniter and lamp holder. All wiring is completely as per the drawing. Now it is time to install the lamp in the holder. Screw the lamp properly. Now the entire system is ready. Now we are going to switch on the breaker. Here you can see the lamp has started glowing. Initially the brightness is low and after a few seconds it becomes brighter. Here you can see now the lamp become more brighter. The lamp start with igniter pulses and reach full brightness after the warm-up time. So this was the complete CMH light connections process explained with the drawing and practical wiring. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. For more practical electrical videos are coming soon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.